Okay, so the question is, how do you fill holes in TOLEX? That's a good one. We've already talked about how to fix the dog tears. So you put a little glue on there, you put the tape over there, and then come back a little later, and it's done. We got to figure out how to fill these holes. First of all, is it a straight hole, or is it one that had screws in it? If it had screws, sometimes the TOLEX gets flared up like this. So the first thing you do is take a blade. This is just a regular box cutter. You gotta take a blade and shave down the nub, the flared up nub, so these edges have to be flush if you're gonna fix this the right way. Because that's what's sticking up above the edge. That's going to mess you up. So you just want to take a drill next. You want to be able to run a drill through that hole and make it straight without flaring up even worse. Then you want to make sure that you use a dowel, and then you're going to use a hammer to pound that dowel in there, and with some glue. So we got some glue over there in the pile. So let's start. First we're going to start by, we've already done this. This is what it looks like afterwards. Nice and smooth. We're going to fix this with a drumstick. So holes in the TOLEX larger usually are for this removable castors. So we're going to cram the drumstick in there. We're going to cut it with a grinder. And the dowel we're going to cut with the dikes. So how wide is this? Well, fortunately, you can check this with a mic. So this is a micrometer, and it comes out to, that's about 180, 185, or 185 thousandths. And this is the drill that I found in the drawer. That's 185, so that's what you need. We're going to set up the grinder with a cutoff disc, and we're going to use the sanding disc on top of that later to grind it just flush and smooth. You're just going to touch it, zip, 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 all those holes, including the one for the drumstick. So in part 2 we'll get to that.